Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about NIN verification. We've previously talked about BVN, we've talked about the different versions, version 2.0, 1.0, and we've also talked about other payments like Paystack, Flutterwave. You can check out my previous videos to be able to understand how to implement them. They are very easy, and irrespective of the language, PHP is being used here as a point of focus, but then you can actually use the same concepts to build other this thing other use or to build on other languages. So I will not want you to be limited to just PHP. The other languages you can build, they follow the same concepts. Do you get now? So this is a request. We are going to be making a request to their API endpoint using using our PHP code coil precisely. So we're going to make a request and we're going to be passing this URL here. We'll pass it here, copy and paste. And I get my response. So this is my response, and this is the image that came with this person's NIN details. So now this is something I want to there's something I want to explain here. Now this NIN verification here image, so it's your NIN slip that you're actually verifying. And let's look at the NIN slip that you're verifying. So this is it. Now this is the slip you are verifying. So this is, in this case, now you tell the customer, okay, scan this thing and send it to us, scan it, upload it to us. Then you pick it up, you save it to a server or a folder, you pick the URL, then you now use it to verify the customer. So that's how it works. There's no magic. So from here, then you can now you can actually use the base 64 of the image to test it also, but I use this URL. This is actually easy for somebody to understand. So you now pick this up and you add the image URL here, that PNG, JPG or base 64. Either of them, you pass in the string. So if you pass in this string, it's still going to do the same work, but this is just the whole lot. So let's just go with the image we have. So then it's going to verify and send a success message, which it actually did here. Do you get now? So before we continue, please like, share, subscribe, and let's hear your opinions about the APIs we have been implementing, and let's just get your feedback from it. So let's go straight to the code. So the code here is saying, let's take go here. So as usual, so this, we get our image URL, we pass it into it as a parameter image, then pass the data array into this function here, then we decode it, we get our success, we get our failure, then we'll go down to our success. This is our success. So the information you're going to be getting from your success is so large, so you just have to, you can use it to do whatever you wish with it. And this is where I decode my base 64 image. So it's a function I created here. I created my index here. So let's finish up before we go back to it. So so this is my error message, and these are my test credentials. I did a copy to clipboard. So if you need to do a copy to clipboard, you can get the source code from my GitHub repo. Then this is the function here. Then once you get the URL, you send it to the endpoint. So let's go straight to the backend. So the backend here is having my image, NIN image. And as usual, we are using coil to be able to access our HTTP, make our HTTP request. So it's a post request, and we're going to encode our data in JSON, then pass our secret key, and content type is always applications like JSON. We're going to be using applications like JSON, then we'll send back the JSON response. I think this is how everything works. So if you have any questions or any suggestions, you can please let us know. We are going to keep building, and let's get building, let's keep working, and God bless. Thank you.